How engineers do it. In this video we'll work on exercise number 31. To start off, I'll just maximize the model, and here's a drawing. You can take a screenshot if you need, and I'm just going to minimize it. And let's begin by going to this file, new, and a new part template. Now we have the empty workspace open on the right side, and on the left side we have the drawing from which we have to do the model. Now let's begin by going to the sketch and clicking on the sketch. So let's just decide from where we gotta start the model. So in my case, I think I would just prefer to start from the top plane here. So we'll just simply draw this part. So what I would do is, I'll first initially draw the rectangle for the bottom. Now just go to the smart dimension and dimension it. That's like 55, and here it is 95. Exit sketch. Now you can go for surface, fill it off. Now just make sure that we have given 55 and 95. Yes, it's 55 and 95. Okay. Now the next thing to do is, we'll just go for features, plane, and let's create a plane from the top plane. We'll just give a distance of 12, and we'll create another sketch. So in this case, I would do like right. Now go to smart dimension and dimension it like 25. This would be radius 20, 40 minus 12 is 28. This is 28. This overall length will be how much? Now we gotta give this, so that's like 12, right? Alright. Now we have a fully constrained sketch here. Let's exit the sketch and go for surface, fill this off. Right. Now what we'll do is, let's just see where exactly front plane is coming. Perfect. Now we'll take the front plane, go for the sketch, and we'll create create somewhat like this, and go for tangent C. Go ahead and give the tangent C here. Smart dimension, radius 20. So this is radius 20. And the overall height of this will be 56. So that's 56. Alright. Now this is at a distance of how much? This is 55, this is 40, so 15. So let me just give this edge. No, that's not what I meant. Okay, what we'll do is we'll just go for this and this here and give 15. Alright, now also let me pull this and put it on the collinear line, exit sketch. We have that part done. Go for surface, extrude surface, extrude it at a distance of how much? 25. Just give 25 here, and we have that done. So also if you had another circle inside, it would have been good. Control 8. I'll just draw another circle inside this and smart dimension it with how much? 25. Exit sketch. Now we have that done as well. Alright. Now we can take this and now, so we have this portion done now. So what we do next will be to create this portion here. So to create that, we need to have a plane over here. Let's just check if we have some default planes. So as we don't have a default plane here, what we do is we'll just take the help of the right plane here, select the right plane, go for features, go for the plane, and create a plane, flip and offset, and flip it, and at a distance of 55 you create another plane, create that plane. We'll just go for the sketch and we'll just draw this, just go for smart dimension, radius 8, so diameter 16, tangent, tick mark, tangent, tick mark. You just trim this portion off, trim this off, and let's just create collinear over here. Now we can remove this or create this as full construction and use another line, or maybe we don't need another line there, so I just need only this much. If we need, we can add. So this is 45, so this length will be 45, and let's just rotate and see how it looks like from the 3D view. Exit the sketch. Now I can go for surfaces, extrude surface, and extrude it with the distance of 12. Now that's done. And now what we can do now is select this and create 1, 2, go for convert entities, and go for the third line and create a line just throughout, exit sketch. We have this line created throughout. Go for extrude and go for reverse direction, go for check mark. Now we have that portion done as well. Now we're going to select this face here, go for the sketch. 1, 2, select the third edge, fourth edge, the fifth edge, the sixth and the seventh. Go for convert entities, go for trim entities and trim this portion off. Now we have a complete continuous line here. Go for exit sketch. Now you can go for fill surface, fill it off. Now we have a full surface there. You can select this plane once again, go for features, go for another plane, and create a plane at a distance of 12. Select the plane, go for the sketch. 1, 2, and 3. Convert entities. Like this. Convert entities. Control 8. Now you can draw a line downwards. Go for trim entities and trim this portion off. Go for tick mark. Exit sketch. Now you can go for surfaces and fill surface. You can fill the surface off, and what you got to do finally is we need a plane at this surface here. So what we can do is we can take the help of an existing plane, so that will be the front plane here, and go for reference and go for the plane, create a plane at a distance of how much? 25. And at that plane, go for the sketch. You can simply create so we have all this. And also what we can do is we can just draw a line from here, go for extend entities and extend this, go for trim entities and trim this portion off. Also use the line tool and just fill this off, exit sketch. Now you can simply go for surfaces and go for fill surface, fill this off. We have that done, and finally you got to fill this off as well. So this will be coming from this sketch here, so you can simply go for fill surface, fill this off. Now we have the complete model being done, except that you're going to create a couple of holes. So to create the first hole, we'll go for the sketch, and I'll just simply go ahead and create a rectangle here, and go ahead and dimension that rectangle as 20. And this one will be 37, and this will be at a distance of how much? 13. And what about the horizontal distance? So it's not really given, or no, this is at the center line for this. So what we can do is we can just point this and this, and we can give it as 0. So now it's fully constrained. Exit the sketch. What we can do is we'll just go for extrude surface, extrude in the reverse direction, up to the surface, and we'll just give it as, sorry, just give it as a surface here of a tick mark. All you gotta do is, next we'll just go for trim and just trim these surfaces, and we have an opening there. And finally, we're going to create two more holes here, so we'll just go ahead and create that hole. So 1 and 2, and just go ahead and create a dimension for it. So that'll be how much? Diameter 12. So that's one diameter 12 and another one diameter 12 here, and these two circles are at a distance of 37, and this is at a distance of 15, and this is at a distance of 12, and this is at a distance of 12 as well. And go for exit sketch. Okay, there is one thing. Okay, let's just go ahead and try this. Go for extrude in the reverse direction, extrude it up to the surface. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll just do a blind extrude. Okay, we'll have it like this. What we'll do is we'll just select the surface and go for trim. Trim this and this, and select this surface, go for trim and trim this. Now we have it easily trimmed. Now again, select this surface and go for trim, select this and look through the inside, trim that as well. Now select this surface, go for trim, trim this, and that's gone as well. So finally the model is ready here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much and stay tuned.